Hello, my beautiful ones. How are you? Today, I want to tell you about an app called Rafi, and it's super good at running giveaways on Instagram. I highly recommend it. Do you want me to tell you how to use it? As I told you before, Rafi is an application that is super easy to use because you don't even have to log in. You copy the post link and paste it here. Once you paste the link here, it starts the draw, and that's it. As simple as that. Need to enter the number of winners for your giveaway content? Let's say there are 5 winners. Just enter the number 5 and start the draw, and Rafi will randomly choose 5 winners among the comments. Watch carefully because it's not just that. It will also pick alternate winners when the actual winners are not available to grab their prize. It's that easy. Isn't it great? Because you guys know I use Instagram a lot, I run a lot of giveaways, but I didn't have a proper giveaway tool where I could do it. And Rafi has saved my life. It's super easy to use and very useful. I hope it helps you too.